Some of you have questions about photography, and I am by no means a professional, but I can answer some things to the best of my ability. Recently on Instagram, actually yesterday, I asked people if I should create a YouTube channel to describe or answer some questions that they might have about photography in general, lighting techniques, how I do what I do, that kind of stuff. So that's really what we're going to do here in this garage studio, right? I just have the backdrop, some lights, and some very basic equipment. I'm just a normal dude. I do not do this professionally, but I have a really good time with it. And that's really what this is. So if you have questions, put them in the comments. That's how I'm going to really plan out the first 10, 15 videos minimum of for this channel to answer questions like what the hell is the inverse square law, what is paramount lighting, what is butterfly lighting, what is clamshell lighting, what is split, all these kind of things, using gels, what it looks like, what my workflow is, all of those things. Just ask questions in the comments below, and I'll get back to you by responding to those comments, and then hopefully I will be making a video for each and every single one of those questions moving forward. This is the baby stage video, like I said, so probably gonna, delete this later, feeling cute or whatever. So that was horrible, by the way. Yeah, leave your questions below, and I'll get to it. So till then, capture the creative. I'll see you later.